शरद, आपने काफी सारा पैसा क्रेडिट पे लिया है और अभी तक आपने क्लियर ही नहीं किया है। I remember I lost 5 लाख रुपीस in my first assignment. मेरे कॉन्फिडेंस की धज्जियां उड़ चुकी थी। स्टार्टअप रहा था मैं। I wanted to prove my self-worth. All of these events led me to become from someone who got paid 2,000 rupees for a full day to someone who gets paid 1 lakh rupees for 20 minutes.
सीखिए स्पोकन इंग्लिश, पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट और बहुत कुछ इंडिया के टॉप एक्सपर्ट्स के साथ। आज ही जोश स्किल्स ऐप पर अपने मनपसंद कोर्स को शुरू करिए। डाउनलोड द ऐप टुडे।
एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप वो चमत्कारी सीढ़ी है जिसे हर उस इंसान ने पार किया है जिसमें जज्बा है कुछ कर गुजरने का। एवरी एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जर्नी हैज 3 थिंग्स इन कॉमन: अ ड्रीमर, देयर स्ट्रगल्स एंड देयर विक्ट्री। द विल टू डू समथिंग डिफरेंट लेड मी टू बिकम हु आई एम टुडे, sharing my journey with you all. Hi, my name is Sharad Sharma. I'm an author, a professional speaker, and an entrepreneur. I wanted to do something different. And I had my share of struggles too. From being an ordinary kid next door to doing odd businesses. From being fired from a high-paying job to starting my own business and becoming successful. I have learned some incredible lessons in this journey. And I promise you, by the end of this talk, you will learn 5 mantras to become a successful entrepreneur. To share my journey with you all, let me take you back to my childhood where all of this started. I was born in a typical conventional family. I was the youngest of all the 3 siblings and the carefree of all. I never questioned why did the entire family live in a single room. Just like Mumbai Chawl, one single bedroom and a kitchen, that was our house. My father was a junior officer in a government sector and my mother was a teacher in a private school. I used to go to a small school, studying, getting good marks and getting a job. That was the discussion that we had at home. We never were talking about big dreams or big aspirations. बड़े सपने देखना, कुछ बड़ा करना, ऐसा कोई डिस्कशन होता ही नहीं था घर पर। मुझे याद है मैं 5 या 6 साल का था जब मैं पापा के पीछे जा जाकर 10 पैसे मांगा करता था। पॉकेट मनी का कॉन्सेप्ट तो था नहीं, मुझे 10 पैसे जरूर मांगने होते थे। मुझे 10 पैसे का छोटा कॉइन नहीं, मुझे बड़ा कॉइन चाहिए होता था और सब हंसते थे इस बात पर। मुझे यह तो समझ थी नहीं कि 10 पैसे का छोटा कॉइन हो या बड़ा कॉइन हो, वैल्यू दोनों की सेम होती है। वो 10 पैसे के बड़े कॉइन से लेकर एक बड़ा घर, एक बड़ी कार, ऐसे सपने मैं देखता चला गया। All of this started growing within me. And I remember when I was 15 or 16 years old, I wanted to start a business. I wanted to talk to people to understand how the business is run. None from the family had any business background. सोचूं तो क्या सोचूं, पूछूं तो किससे पूछूं? Then Diwali was around the corner and that's when I decided to sell crackers. I spoke to 2 of my friends. We pooled in 3,000 rupees each. I went to my mother, borrowed 1,000 rupees and I gathered 2,000 rupees from my pocket money and we started doing cracker business. And guess what happened? We got beaten up by police because हम इतने innocent थे कि हमें ये भी नहीं पता था कि cracker बेचने के लिए हमें legal permission लेने की ज़रूरत होती है। But 3,000 rupees was a big amount back then. So we decided to actually sell all the stock in the local market at no profit, no loss. And that was my first business lesson. Lesson number 1 that I learned is start early, start small. You may not know everything. If you wait until you know everything, you will never start anything. I was different from others. I was in college now, but I never wanted to do conventional courses. Engineering, medical or CA was out of question. And you know my parents, they wanted me to get educated. So I joined a college which would offer me time and freedom to explore other things during the evening. I joined a course called BSc in Maths, Physics and Computer Science. At the age of 20, I started catering business. I remember that day very, very well. I walked up to my mother, borrowed 100 rupees from her and went ahead and printed 100 business cards. I used those cards to do neighborhood promotion. During the wedding season, I visited hundreds of wedding halls and asked them to give us an opportunity. बस एक जुनून था, एक जज्बा था कुछ कर गुजरने का. And during this time, some people laughed at us and said, हजारों की शादी कर पाओगे आप? Some people supported us, some people ignored us. In fact, I remember in one of the weddings, one of our relatives said, ये क्या करेगा? ये तो हलवाई है. Some people said, इसने तो एजुकेशन भी छोड़ दिया, अब इसका कुछ नहीं होने वाला. But all of this did not matter because I had the jazba to do something really different. During this entire phase, I learned some of the most greatest lessons of my life. I learned how to negotiate in the local market. I learned how to understand the customer, how to do marketing and sales. All of these lessons I could not have learned in the textbooks ever. I also remember one of those days when I learned how to make puris, and I also learned how to actually serve food being a waiter. All of these lessons were the greatest lessons of my life. And to sum this up, let me share the lesson number 2 of my life. काम बड़ा या छोटा नहीं होता, इंसान की सोच छोटी या बड़ी होती है. Some of the greatest lessons in your life you will learn out of your classroom. Catering was concerned with events, so we decided to expand our business. The profit from the business started accumulating. We gathered all this profit to start another business. We started fast food center so that we could sell food every day. The whole business was run on credit, and we had built a great reputation because we used to clear credit well ahead of time. I had finished my MBA by then. So I picked up a job in an MNC as a librarian. Now you must be wondering, why did I pick up a job when I had a very good business that was running? Remember the conventional mindset that I had? That made me to pick up a job. And soon I found myself juggling between the business as well as the job. So I decided to offload some of my responsibilities on an employee. The employee who was working almost like a partner. I trusted him and I offloaded a lot of responsibilities on him. And one fine day, I received a call. A call in which the other person said, शरद, आपने काफ़ी सारा पैसा क्रेडिट पे लिया है और अभी तक आपने क्लियर ही नहीं किया है. That was a shocker for me. The person whom I am trusted, he took a lot of money and spoiled my entire reputation. So I decided to do the thing that was right at that time. I decided to shut off the business. Lesson number 3. If you really want to build a business, the business is built on trust. And trust is what builds reputation. If you really want to flourish in your business, you got to build trust, you got to build a team that is aligned with you. For the next 7 years, I was fully involved in the corporate job. I was doing really well. Remember the car that I wanted to buy as a child? I finally bought it. This was a moment of pride for me. All my family, all my friends felt I was extremely successful. But deep inside, I was not really happy. जो जुनून, जो जज्बा मुझ में था as a small kid, all of that was dead. मेरे कॉन्फिडेंस की धज्जियां उड़ चुकी थी इस कॉर्पोरेट जॉब में. I was a fearless child, but now I had a lot of fear in me. मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं दी गई थी. एक बार तो मुझे याद है, एक सीनियर ने मुझे कहा, उन्हें ट्रेन करने के लिए मुझे ग्रे हेयर होने चाहिए, मुझे सफेद बाल होने चाहिए. And another time, one of the seniors walked up to me and said, his experience and my age is just the same. So how do I train him? I don't have the eligibility to train him. All of these events led me to become not very confident. All of my junoon, my jazba was gone for a toss. And then one fine day, it just happened. I was terminated from the job. I clearly remember that day. One of my seniors walked up to me and took me into his cabin, and he said, I was trying to steal company's private information. For the next 5 hours, I was humiliated to death. I just worried during those 5 hours, thinking about what will happen to my career, what will happen to my reputation. All of this did not matter to the organization. All they did after 5 hours is to give me a termination letter. I was devastated. I was like that fish out of the water. तड़प रहा था मैं. I wanted to prove my self-worth. This event brought back the junoon and jazba in me. In 2013, I started my training in consulting business. I remember I lost 5 lakh rupees in my first assignment itself. I did not stop because I wanted to prove my worth. I kept knocking the doors, and then finally I got my first assignment, which was just 2,000 rupees for a whole day of training. That did not deter my confidence because I wanted to prove my worth. वो जज्बा मुझ में वापस आ चुका था. Someone once told me that if I really want to make it big in this industry, I have to connect with big people. And that's when they introduced me to someone in Chennai. I fixed an appointment with him. He promised that he will have lunch with me. I had no money, so I took a bus to reach Chennai. I had no enough money to take a hotel, so I took a shoddy lodge just to quickly take the shower and go and meet him in his office. I waited for 2 hours in his office. He came in, he spent 5 minutes and he just left. 12 hours of travel, 2 hours of wait, and his commitment did not matter to him. I was devastated again. But here is what I learned. In entrepreneurship journey as well, you will keep meeting a lot of people. It is easy to conclude that there are good people and bad people. But the fact is, when you want to buy a shirt, what would you do? You would go and try out all the shirts until you find the right fit. Similarly, when you want to buy a shoes, what would you do? You will not adjust with a size which is lower than yours or bigger than yours. You will keep looking for the shoe until you find the right size shoe. Same thing happens in entrepreneurship journey as well. You will meet people who are good, you will meet people who are not good. You will have to keep looking for people who will help you at the right time. And that was my biggest lesson. But much before that, remember, you got to help yourself before you ask for help. And this is where lesson number 4 came into my life. It's a triple H formula. When you are hurt, you got to help yourself. You got to heal yourself. You hurt, you heal, and then you help. Don't let the world outside dictate terms on you. Don't let the world outside kill your dreams and your confidence. It's 7+ years of my entrepreneurship journey. I have grown from someone who got paid 2,000 rupees for a full day to someone who gets paid 1 lakh rupees for 20 minutes. This journey has been incredible. And I know this is just the beginning. Before I sign off, I want to share one final lesson with you. When you dream of doing something really big, when you want to contribute with your product or services, there will be a lot of people who will come and tell you a lot of things. They'll give you a lot of suggestions. Some of them will mislead you. Some of them will tell you that there is a shortcut to success. But remember, nothing great was ever built taking a shortcut. Like a healthy baby needs to be in mother's womb for 9 months, every great thing needs time. There are no shortcuts to success. Just to conclude, my final lesson with you. जो अपनी काबिलियत पर विश्वास रखते हैं, वही एंटरप्रेन्योर बनकर इतिहास रचते हैं. I hope you find these lessons to be useful and you will implement them in your life. Thank you for being an amazing audience.
एक मिनट ठहरिए, वीडियो को बंद मत करिएगा. मैं आपसे कुछ सवाल पूछना चाहता हूं. क्या आप भी अपनी इंग्लिश को इंप्रूव करके अपने करियर और जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं? क्या आप भी जानना चाहते हैं कि एक कॉन्फिडेंट और डायनामिक पर्सनैलिटी के क्या सीक्रेट्स होते हैं? क्या आप ये सोचते हैं कि पैसों से पैसे आखिर कैसे कमाया जाए? अगर इनमें से कोई भी सवाल का जवाब हाँ है, तो जोश टॉक्स के पास हमारे लिए एक सुझाव है. जोश टॉक्स हमारे लिए लाया है जोश स्किल्स ऐप, जहां पर डिटेल्ड और इंटरैक्टिव कोर्सेज के साथ हम विभिन्न टॉपिक्स को समझ सकते हैं और अपनी जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. और तो और, जोश स्किल्स ऐप पर ऐसे 50 से ज्यादा कोर्सेज हैं जिन्हें देश के जाने माने एक्सपर्ट्स ने बनाया है और वो हमें डेली वीडियो लेसन्स, असाइनमेंट्स, टेस्ट्स और पीडीएफ नोट्स के साथ सिखाएंगे. जोश स्किल्स ऐप पर आज 1,20,000 से ज्यादा लोग स्पोकन इंग्लिश, पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट, कंप्यूटर स्किल्स जैसे अलग अलग विभिन्न टॉपिक्स को सीख रहे हैं और अपने अगले जॉब और अपनी जिंदगी के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हैं. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आप अपनी जिंदगी में आगे बढ़े, अपने करियर गोल्स को अचीव करें और जिंदगी में कुछ बड़ा करें, तो आज ही डाउनलोड करें जोश स्किल्स का ऐप और अपने पहले कोर्स की शुरुआत करें. आपसे कोर्स में मुलाकात होगी.